Before you spend another dollar on AI video tools like HeyGen or Hedra, let me show you something crazy. TikTok has a free AI studio that can create realistic talking avatars,
Please subscribe to BigWiz Media for more in-depth tutorials like this.
product ads, AI images, text-to-video clips, translations, dubbing, and even edit everything in one place, just like CapCut. And the best part? You don't need to record yourself, hire actors, or jump between 5 different apps. In this BigWiz Media tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use Symphony Creative Studio by TikTok to generate AI avatars, make them speak your script, turn a simple product photo into a full ad, create stunning images, animate them, and produce complete AI videos for free and without limits. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to create professional AI videos using a tool most people still don't even know exists. Without further ado, let's dive in. Welcome. The tool we are exploring today is Symphony Creative Studio. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to access the site. While this platform was primarily created for business owners, regular users like you and me can also use it to our advantage to create unlimited videos for free. I'll go ahead and click on Get Started. You can log in with your email, your TikTok account, or your phone number. For this tutorial, I will use my TikTok account to log in. I'll click Continue so that TikTok for Business synchronizes with my Symphony account. It is as easy as that. Here is the studio playground. From this dashboard, you can generate videos, create voiceover avatars, design product avatars, translate and dub videos, and even use the built-in video editor. You can do all your video editing right here in the studio without needing to switch to another app, and it is completely free. We're going to start with the VoiceOver avatar feature because it is my favorite part of this amazing tool. Let's click on VoiceOver Avatar right here. If you check this section, you will see the Real Human option. These are actual human avatars you can use for your videos. You just provide them with a text script and they will speak exactly what you want them to say. You can also see an indicator showing how many different looks each avatar has. For instance, here is a Muslim avatar that features up to 11 different looks, which is perfect if that matches your content style. Or if you're a tech content creator or gamer like myself, you can select an avatar that fits the tech bro aesthetic. This one has up to 4 different looks you can choose from. While the real human avatars are great, the selection is somewhat limited. To access more options, switch to the AI-generated version, which hosts a massive variety of AI avatars. The choices here feel almost unlimited. You can scroll through and find the perfect avatar for your needs. For this example, I prefer this one, so I will select him and click Continue. Now you can either type your script directly into the text box, or you can upload pre-existing audio, which can be your own voice or a previously generated AI voiceover. Let me type a short script right here. Next, if you click on this voice drop-down menu, it reveals a wide variety of AI voices. You can filter them by language. Options range from Arabic, Chinese, Dutch, English, Filipino, and many more. You can also filter by age, choosing between young, middle-aged, or old. Finally, you can select the gender. Since my avatar is male, I will filter for male voices so I can preview them and find my favorite. Let's preview this one.
This is my voice. Give it a try.
Ito ang boses ko. Subukan mo na ang tunog ko.
This is my voice. Give it a try.
Okay, now let's select Josh and save it. The system will start previewing the audio for us before we generate the final lip-synced video.
This is how to lip-sync Avatar in Symphony Creative Studio.
As you can see, the lip-syncing wasn't matching initially because it generates the audio first. If you don't like the outcome, you can simply go back and select a different voice. Let me select another voice, save it, and it will generate the audio once more with the newly selected voice actor.
This is how to lip sync avatar in Symphony Creative Studio.
That one sounds a bit worse and I don't like it, so let me select Michael instead and save it. If you're happy with the outcome, simply click on Generate. The audio will now be perfectly lip-synced to your virtual avatar. The generation process will begin. Note that you won't see the finished video on this screen. You need to navigate to the Assets tab. Let's click on Assets to view our generation. It's done, so let's preview how it turned out.
This is how to lip-sync avatar in Symphony Creative Studio.
Perfect. One quick tip, you can generate clips up to 12 seconds long. If you have a very lengthy voiceover, you simply need to cut your script into smaller pieces and generate them one after the other. Now, let's generate one more video, this time using a real human avatar. I'll scroll through the library to find one I like. I prefer this female avatar, so I'll select her. I will enter my script. Please subscribe to Big Wiz Media for more in-depth tutorials like this one. Let's select the voice Jenny and click Save. Also, note that you can easily toggle the video captions on or off depending on your preference. You also have the option to increase or reduce the audio volume. I'll leave it as it is and hit Generate. Just like before, our finished video will appear under the Assets tab.
Please subscribe to Big Wiz Media for more in-depth tutorials like this.
And as the avatar just said, kindly subscribe to Big Wiz Media for more in-depth tutorials like this one. If you haven't liked the video yet, please do. And if you have access to the hype feature, kindly hype the video so more people like you can find our channel. Before we move on to image and video generation, let me introduce you to the product avatar feature, which is incredibly useful for business owners. If you have a product you want to advertise, you no longer need to sit in front of a camera to create promotional videos. You simply upload an image of your product right here. Let's use this backpack as an example. You can easily drag and drop your product image into the studio. Next, you select one of the available presentation avatars. There are female avatars doing bag reviews, but if you prefer a male avatar, you can select one of those instead. I will select this male avatar and hit Generate. The AI will replace the bag the avatar was originally holding with our uploaded product. It is amazing that we get to do all of this for free. The system generates 4 different image variations. Select the image you prefer and then click on Animate. This tool will magically turn your static product image into a video. Let's check out the results. Right now, there's no audio, but we can easily add a voiceover. I want something simple, so I will type, "This is the bag every one of you needs now." Just like we did previously, select your preferred voiceover actor, set the gender, and preview the audio. Once you're satisfied with the voice, turn off the captions if you wish and click Generate. You can find the finished product ad in your Assets folder. Let's play it and see how it looks.
This is the bag every one of you need.
Now, let's create some images before moving on to video generation. In the Image Generation tab, I will input my text prompt. You have access to different AI models, including Flux Context Max, but I prefer to use the Nano Banana AI model. I will input my prompt and then click Send. As you can see, the image has been generated exactly as I requested. If you want to make changes, you can always click the Edit icon and adjust your prompt. Because it runs on Nano Banana, it handles adjustments perfectly. From here, you can instantly turn this image into a video by clicking Generate Video. The image-to-video model will be selected automatically. You can choose to add a first and last frame, but I will only use the first frame for this example. You can also select your preferred video duration, ranging from 5 to 12 seconds. I will set it to 10 seconds and hit Generate. Let's look at the results. Oh my God, our puppy is seriously working hard. Let's try one more prompt, this time using pure text-to-video generation. For this one, I will not use any reference images. I will paste my prompt. I will select the maximum duration of 12 seconds and then click Send. Let's give it a moment to generate. Remember, guys, you're doing all of this for free. You no longer need expensive tools like HeyGen to generate AI avatars, images, or videos. If you're finding value in this video, please like and subscribe. I'm constantly searching for incredible free tools like this, so you don't have to carry the burden of paying for every AI tool on the market. All right, the text-to-video generation is done. Let's preview how it turned out. Wow, I really like this result. Finally, if you explore the dashboard, you'll see other powerful features available in this studio. They have a remix videos tool and a translate and dub feature. For example, if you have a video recorded in Spanish, you can use this tool to translate it into English. It will automatically dub the audio and perfectly lip-sync the avatar, so it looks like the original video was filmed in English. There's also a built-in video editor. You can use this editor just like you normally use CapCut. You can drag and drop your videos into the timeline, add overlays, insert fade-in and fade-out transitions, generate captions, and apply effects and stickers. That covers how to use Symphony Creative Studio by TikTok. Go ahead and click the link in the description or the pinned comment to start creating with this tool. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and do well to like this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.